Mia, I want to show you something.
What is it, Mom?
Hello again. This is my daughter, Mia.
Hello, nice to meet you. Emma, do you sell balloons here? Yes, I help my mom.
Mia, you can choose one balloon you like.
Really? Thank you, Mom. Here you go. This one is very nice. Thank you. I really like it.
Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Bye, Emma. See you at school. Bye, Mia.
Mia, what do you think about Emma's work?
It looks interesting and fun.
Do you think it is easy or hard?
I think it is easy.
She works and still studies well. She also gets good grades.
I also get good grades, Mom. And selling balloons looks easy to earn money.
Do you want to try doing this job?
Yeah, I want to try.
Okay, you can try for 1 week. You will sell balloons and earn money.
Yes, I can do it. It is easy. I will use the money to pay for my extra classes. I can also pay for my food and daily things.
All right, we will see how you do.
Hey, how was your day at the park?
It was fun. I got a balloon.
David, Mia wants to sell balloons next week.
Really? That sounds interesting.
She thinks earning money is very easy.
Oh, I see. That's great, Mia. You want to work now?
Yes, I can do it. It is easy.
Do you want me to help you start?
Yes, Dad. Please help me.
You can take her to buy balloons early in the morning. She needs to see how to prepare everything.
We can go to a supplier shop to buy balloons. And maybe an air pump too.
Do we need to wake up early for that?
Yes, we need to go very early.
Work starts early and can be tiring. You need to be ready.
It's okay. I can do it. I will earn a lot of money tomorrow. This job is easy.
Mia, wake up. We need to go now.
I feel so sleepy, and I don't want to wake up. Why do I have to wake up so early? Dad, are we not eating breakfast?
No, we don't have time. We need to go now. We must prepare early to sell in the morning.
Okay, I'm coming. There are so many balloons, I don't know what to choose. I think these are enough to start selling.
Good. You can try with these first.
The total is $50.
Dad, I don't have money now. Can I borrow from you? I will pay you back later.
Okay, I will lend you the money to start. This is your small business now.
Thank you, Dad. I will try my best.
Here is $50.
Thank you.
I think making money is simple. We just need to wake up early.
Is that so?
People will buy my balloons because they are very beautiful.
You sound very confident today. I like that.
I will sell many balloons today.
I hope you sell a lot today. Good luck, my girl.
I'm ready, Dad. This will be easy.
Let's see how it goes.
I will do my best today.
I believe in you.
Dad, can you help me pump the balloons?
This is your business. You need to do it yourself. If you want my help, you need to pay me $5.
$5? That's okay. I will earn money and pay you very fast. It is a little hard. Can you help me now?
All right, I will help you this time. Watch carefully. You need to learn this.
Okay, I'm watching. They look so nice. People will love them.
I hope you sell them all today.
Let's start. I will sell many balloons. Dad, what will you do today?
I will wait for your mom. Then we will have a picnic.
I want to join you and Mom too.
Oh no, you have your own job today. You remember your promise, right?
Yes, I remember. Then I will sell all the balloons very fast, so I can come and play with you.
Good. Try your best today. I will be nearby.
I need to find customers now. Hello. Do you want to buy a balloon? Hello. Do you want to buy a balloon?
No thanks.
Do you want a balloon? It is very nice.
Too expensive.
Hello. Do you want this balloon?
No, we don't need it.
Why does no one buy my balloons? It is so hot. I feel very tired. My hand hurts. This is not easy. Wait, why is it so windy? No, no, come back! That's my money! Why is no one looking at me? I feel so thirsty and hungry.
Sisters.
They are having fun. I want to go there. Making money is not easy. Emma has many customers. This balloon is very strong and colorful. Your child will like it. Ah! It's okay. Have a nice day. She is not sad when people say no. Why can she do this, but I can't? This balloon is very nice.
Oh,
No, it broke. We don't want it anymore.
I can't even keep it safe. Would you like to buy a balloon?
Sorry, not today.
I feel so hungry. I didn't eat breakfast. This is too hard. I don't want to do this. Emma is still working. Her mom looks tired, but she still works. I thought money was easy to earn. But I was wrong. Money is easy, and selling balloons looks easy to earn money. My mom worked so hard for me, but I didn't care. Emma works hard and still studies, but I didn't try. I will try again. I need to do better. Hello, would you like a balloon for your child? I can help you choose a nice one.
How much is it?
It is a fair price, and it is good quality.
Okay, we will take one.
Thank you very much. I did it. This money is not easy. I was wrong. I need to tell Mom the truth. Mom? Can I talk to you?
Of course, Mia. What is it?
Mom? I did something wrong.
Tell me. I am listening.
I did not study for the test. I copied Emma's answers. I said I got a good grade, but it was not my work. I am sorry, Mom. I was wrong. Today I worked at Patipul, and I understand now. Money is not easy, and I didn't respect your work. I promise I will study hard from now.
Thank you for telling me the truth, Mia.
I'm really sorry, Mom.
Everyone makes mistakes. But being honest is very brave. I am proud of you today, not because of the test, but because you told the truth.
Mom, I want to fix my mistake.
Then you should tell your teacher too, and keep trying your best.
I will will do it, Mom. I want to be like Emma.
You don't need to be like anyone. Just be better than yesterday.
I understand now.
Let's finish your work today. I will wait for you.
One, two, three. I only have $15.
Oh.
Dad, this is for you. I want to pay you back. But I only have $15. I'm sorry, I can't pay it all now.
It's okay, Mia. You worked hard for this money.
Now you know how hard it is to earn money. We are happy you understand.
Yes. I understand now.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to learn and grow.
I will keep working and pay you back.
Take your time. We trust you.
I need to study for real this time.
I will do it by myself.
She is changing.
Yes, she is growing up.
I will do better tomorrow.